Hello, I'm Ken from Tokyo, Japan. How's it going? Me, not too bad. And this is my pronunciation practice, so feel free to correct me if I sound wrong. Today, I'm going to be talking about hidden tourist destinations in Japan. Japan is home to not only famous tourist destinations, but also countless hidden gems. Here are some recommendations. 1. Shirakawa-go. A beautiful village with traditional gashozukuri houses, especially enchanting during the snowy winter months. 2. Takachio Gorge. Known for its stunning gorge and boat rides. It's also near Mano Iwato Shrine, steeped in mythology. 3. Tsunoshima Bridge. A scenic bridge over emerald green waters, perfect for a picturesque drive. 4. Takeda Castle Ruins. Often called the castle in the sky, it offers breathtaking views of a castle floating in a sea of clouds. 5. Oirase Gorge. A perfect spot for forest bathing and hiking, featuring beautiful waterfalls and clear streams. 6. Iakazura Bridge. A thrilling vine bridge experience in a remote and scenic valley. 7. Mihono Matsubara. A scenic coastal area with a view of Mount Fuji, surrounded by a forest of pine trees. That's it for today, and I haven't got used to filming myself yet, so I think I sounded weird, but I'll figure out. Hopefully there's some places that you're interested in. Thank you for watching, stay healthy and hydrated. Cheers.